Assalamu alaikum wonderful people. I am Dr. Asma Mahmood and today I am going to answer a very important question I am asked many times. Are gluten free flours keto friendly? So the short answer is all keto friendly flours are gluten free by nature. Okay, but all gluten free flours are not necessarily keto. Let me explain in a bit. There are flours which are intrinsically gluten free, and those are classified as keto because their carbohydrate count per 100 grams is less. For example, coconut flour has a very low carbohydrate count. For example, almond flour has a very low carbohydrate count per 100 grams. For example, flaxseed flour, very low carbohydrate count per 100 grams. I also include besan or the chickpea flour, which is not usually included by the keto gurus, but the thing is the carb count of the besan or the chickpea flour is almost near to the coconut flour. So personally, I don't see why is it not included in the keto friendly flour list. Okay, I've made a video on that also. Anyway, the thing is, in the gluten free section you will usually find potato starch, corn starch or cornmeal, rice flour, okay, or sago flour. All of these are naturally gluten free, but they have a very high carbohydrate count per 100 grams. The corn flour has a very high carb count, potato flour has a very high carb count, okay, the rice flour has a very high carb count. The thing is, because of being high carb, although they are gluten free, but because they have a high carbohydrate count, that's why they are not classified as keto friendly flours and you should not be taking. If you are doing a diet to reduce your weight, you are doing a keto diet, all these flours, potato starch, corn starch and the rice flour, all these will terribly destroy your diet. They'll cause you weight gain. But the thing is, if you're doing keto diet for any autoimmune disease like thyroiditis, multiple sclerosis, ulcerative colitis, anything like that, then your aim is only being gluten free in that case. And if you are skinny, you want to gain some weight, in that case you can use the gluten free flour. But if you are like hefty and you are very heavy and you need to like lose weight, then it is not advisable to use these flours, the potato starch, the rice flour, the corn flour and those things. So those are not keto friendly because of their high carb count. Personally, I would advise you to rotate your flours. Like if you are using if in keto you are using flaxseed flour, don't use it forever. Rotate these flours. Like if for a week you have used almond flour, you have made roti or bread or chapati whatever with almond flour, next week shift on to the flaxseed flour. Next week, the very next week, shift on to, say for example, almond flour. So if you keep on rotating the flours, you will gain all the benefits of all the flours, and that is the good thing about each of these flours. And even if you are doing a gluten free and you are not doing keto, like you are using potato starch or rice flour or like any of other these gluten free flours, try to rotate these also. Like if you are using potato starch, try to shift to corn starch the next time, try to shift to rice flour the next time. Create a variety in your menu. The more variety you have, less likely you are going to experience the side effects of any of these flours. And these flours, the potato starch, the corn starch, the rice flour, they are usually used because they give a good consistency to your bread. Like right now I have with me this gluten free bread, and I'll cut, this is a loaf, and then I also have a bun. It is very easy. And these breads, the loaf bread and the bun of the gluten free flours with the potato starch and the rice flour and the corn starch, they usually are very fluffy. I'll show you a cut section, and you can see these are like airy, fluffy, just like normal bread. So that's why people tend to use these gluten free flours, because they have a good consistency. But the things they are, remember that they are very high in carb count, so you have to take account the carb count also if you are doing keto. Because if you are doing keto and you are using, like if you are using these tasty bread, these fancy tasty breads, you are going to destroy your keto diet. So that was what I had to say. Thank you for watching the video till the end. The chapati, the rice and the bread which are made with all of these flours, you will find the playlist on our YouTube channel. Do subscribe and share this video with all your family and friends who are either doing keto or doing a gluten free diet, so that they know the difference between the two. So take care till we meet next time. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.